Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a review of IPSY. This is my first bag I've ever got from them. I've used to get Sephora Play, which I also reordered, but I've never tried IPSY. So yeah, I thought I'd come on here and kind of show you guys what I got, see if I'm impressed as like a first time buyer. Also, I really like my makeup look today. I put a little yellow in the inner corner. My eyes are the James Charles palette, and my lips are Wet n Wild, and yeah. So if you guys want to see this look, then just comment down below and I will film it. It's super easy, which makes it kind of exciting. So let's get into it. So if you want to see what I got in my IPSY bag, then just keep watching. Okay, so I opened it up, and of course a little IPSY bag. And then I also got a product on the outside, so we'll do this one first. It's the Illamasqua coloring pencil. I don't know. It's a coloring pencil eye crayon in the shade Honor. Let's see what it looks like. So it looks like this, and like a regular pencil. Oh, it's really pretty. It's a brown. Sorry, I have like so much stuff in my hands, but it's just like a little brown. This is for your eyes, but you can also use it like for your lips. So yeah, I might put it like on my eye real fast. Let's put a little line there. It's definitely really creamy. Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, that's fine. So let's get into the bag. This bag is so cute. It's blue and white with a little pink zipper. Let's open it up. First thing I see here is a Naked Cosmetics Pigment. And it's a heavy metal. I don't know if this one has a shade, but it's a really pretty blue. Let me swatch it. That's really pretty, actually. So here it is. And it's kind of like a purple undertone to it. Don't know how often I would use this, but it's really pretty. Okay, next I got the Pure Brazilian Miracle Leave-In Conditioner with Keratin. It's like this. So I'll smell it. It smells like vanilla. Or no, coconut. That smells so good, actually. So yeah, I'll try this out and let you guys know. Okay, two more products. I got this Fluide. What is this? Elsewhere. It doesn't say what it is. I'm assuming it's like a lip gloss. Let's read. Should I just put it on? I don't know about that. Let's read what this is. Oh, they don't have like a little card that tells you what's inside. That's kind of weird. This is a lip gloss. I don't know why it's blue. It's fine. It's a regular clear lip gloss. It's kind of sticky, but not bad. I want to see what it's like if it was without any lipstick on. And last product is this nail lacquer by ColorLUB in the shade Feverish. Ooh. It's like a pretty brown red. I need to paint my nails anyways. I should have done this before. I'll paint a little bit on my nail. Oh my god, it just broke. Oh. Right? No. Oh. Yeah, because look. My whole thing's broken. Okay, so that stings really bad. Let's get into my final thoughts. I think my favorite thing is the bag. It's like, this is fine, the lip gloss is fine, the pencil's fine. It's just, none of this is going to stand out to me. I don't know. So, for my final thoughts, I would just say my first IPSY bag, not the best. Yeah, so just, I don't know if I'm going to keep ordering from here, but I feel like I shouldn't judge them after the one bag. So maybe I'll do one more month. So let me know down below what you guys got in your IPSY bags. I know it's different. So I also ordered a Sephora Play, which I've ordered in the past, and I really did love it because it's all sample sizes from Sephora. And before you go out and spend some money, you can see if you like products like that. It's a good way to test out different products that are new or older from Sephora. So yeah, I will definitely be filming a video whenever that comes. It said it's supposed to come like the 3rd week of January, so like 2 more weeks. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!